Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change Fiat 500 rear lights. First, ensure your car's ignition is completely off and the handbrake is engaged for safety. Gather your tools, which typically include a 10mm socket wrench and the replacement bulbs. You'll find the access panel for the rear lights inside the trunk, usually behind the carpet lining. Gently peel back the lining to expose the fasteners. Now, let's remove the light unit itself. Use your 10mm socket wrench to unscrew the two retaining bolts located on the outside of the light assembly. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire light unit straight rearwards from the car body. Avoid twisting, as this can damage the paint or the light housing. Finally, disconnect the electrical wiring plug by lifting its small plastic tab and pulling it away. With the light unit removed, you can now access the bulbs. The bulb holder assembly is typically secured by 4 clips around its edge. Release these to separate it from the light cluster. To remove a faulty bulb, push it in slightly and rotate it 1/4 turn counterclockwise, then pull it out. Insert the new bulb by aligning its bayonet pins with the slots, pushing it in, and rotating it 1/4 turn clockwise to lock it into place. Once the new bulbs are in, carefully reattach the bulb holder to the light cluster, pressing it into place until the retaining clips engage. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks securely. Align the entire light unit back into its housing on the car body, making sure the locating pins fit correctly. Refit and securely tighten the 2 retaining screws. Before closing the trunk, turn on your car and test all the rear lights to confirm they are working correctly. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.